This is Sadia, Hamza, student of Darul Arham, Tibbi Nabawi and Hijama practitioner. I would like to share my experience with Hijama course. I first started my Hijama by randomly acquired knowledge with one of the Islamic teachers. I was very happy by it. I started practicing on my family members through which I received positive and negative responses. I realized that something was missing which made me to think deeper. I had an ambition to become a doctor and always felt incomplete for my passion. But after studying and practicing hijama from Darul Arham, which was a so organized way and had standards of hygiene and acquiring certification, fulfilled my dream. Grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who guided me to hijama, which is one of the best treatment over all the medicines or therapists practice all over the world. The word afzal was used for it in the hadith. Afzal means one of the best. I am so glad and happy to practice hijama as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had preferred hijama over medicine for me. The plan of Allah is the most perfect and best for his creations. Alhamdulillah, I am satisfied, fulfilled and happy after my hijama course. And all praise goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One thing that differentiated hijama over medicine was I felt medicine could have many side effects. But hijama, it is a guidance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is a sunnah of our Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And surely 100% there are no side effects or loss or harm from it. There are so many benefits in hijama which I am unaware of it, and we have no scientific research on it. Subhanallah, through our course in DA, I could see a lot of study going by our therapists through assignments and research for various diseases and openings to our thinking. Just we had research for ongoing issues like thyroid, diabetes, high blood pressure, by which we are able to acquire deeper study for diseases and how it can be treated. The thing I loved the most of this course is a discussion session. Every week we had a discussion class where Ustaza discusses a case with us. We have ample time to ask our questions and discuss our experience about clients. Through this we get knowledge and experience not only from Ustaza as well as from all other students who are practicing hijama. This is the best platform which is provided for learning, sharing and benefiting each other. I feel so powerful in being with a community where every other person is standing to help each other only just to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and for benefiting humanity. It is an holistic approach, knowing the client from every perspective, her lifestyle, physical issues, emotional conduct, social conduct, religious segment, and many more things. And the client is guided through all these perspectives. And finally, Shifa is only and only from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After studying from Darul Arham, I feel confident, satisfied, go deeper into the case studies, and know exactly where to apply cups for the required diseases. My heartfelt thanks to Umasara. I had chosen her to be my mother, teacher, mentor, friend, instructor for me. I appreciate her hard work for people and building us a platform for practicing a sunnah of Rasul Sallallahu. May she be a source to benefit people. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from her and grant her highest ranks in Jannat al-Firdaus al-Ala. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen.